So welcome to the Channel 18 Grand Prize draw for March, which just happens to be this Good Friday. So it's an exciting day, and as a result of it being Easter, each one of our winners is going to get a bonus Easter egg in addition to whatever prize they win. Now, you should have received an email that will have your number, but if not, we'll be contacting the winners anyway. So we're going to go for the big one first. The first prize is access to our full online 18th edition course, plus an exam at one of our participating exam centres, which you will choose the one nearest to you, and you get a copy of the 18th edition regulations once they're published.
Yes.
Still to come, of course. So, Gary, are you ready?
I am. I've got the full list here, Dave, so let's go.
Right, so Gary has got the list of winners, all associated to numbers. I've got programmed into this superb device the number of people, and when I hit this button here, we'll get the first number. And the first one is number 99.
Oh,
Winner number 99. Gary, tell us who that is that's getting our online course.
Number 99 is Simon C.
Simon C, well done. You're the
Well done,
first person that we know is going to be sitting through the 18th edition course when it's available. So well done to that. All the details will be coming to you. Second prize, this fabulous Hitachi Combi drill, 18-volt Combi drill, a beautiful thing to have in your van. So next draw is 187. 187. Who's the lucky person?
187.
There's loads, isn't there?
Yeah, there is. And that is Danny B. Well done,
Danny
Danny.
B. Well done, Danny. You got yourself a drill. Fantastic. Now then, the 18th edition, widening the scope on whether cables should be subject to premature collapse. You're going to be needing lots and lots of these Firefly fire kits to make sure your cables are safe. There are going to be 4 boxes of these, a whole mixture from our friends at Marshall-Tufflex, and that is the third prize, along with your Easter egg. So here we go. 128.
128. And here we are. 128 is Philip O. Well done, Philip.
Philip, you're never going to worry again about the 18th and conforming. So now, fourth prize from Kidde. This premium alarm pack. Fantastic. Good for installation. There we go. The winner is 111. 111.
111, and the guy, Joey. Right, that's Richard C. Well done, Richard, on that prize.
Well done, Richard. Nice one. This is very exciting. I'm more excited than they are. So the sixth prize is, the fifth prize. Fifth prize. It says sixth here, but it's fifth. Chauvin Arnoux magnetic test probe set. So there we go. And your Easter egg, don't forget. That is going to number 68.
68. And that is Steve D. Well done, Steve.
Well done, Steve. And last but not least, this fabulous Hager screwdriver. It is for a PZ2 type screw. And don't forget the Easter egg, so you can smash open the Easter egg with your screwdriver. What fun. 201 is the winner of that. 201.
Break into 200 there.
Nice range of numbers. Nice range.
It's good registrants. Right, no, number 201 is Leighton H. Well done, Leighton.
Fantastic. Well done, all of you. If you didn't win on this prize draw, don't forget there's another one in April with another load of fantastic prizes, including one of our courses. And if you've got any mates that you want to get involved in that, tell them to join in.
Channel 18 and get registered now.
Yeah, get registered now. Have a fantastic Easter and best wishes from all at the Learning Lounge. Cheers!
Yay!